quite a simple job, but I thought I'd share with you how to change over the gear knob on a 2012 Vito. This is a W639. It's quite simple really. As you can see, the gear knob is quite worn, it's been on there for quite a long time. So we'll start off by getting a little plastic lever underneath here, pull that off, and there's a screw in the end. As you can see, it's also quite dirty. I think this is a T20 screwdriver head. Undo that. Okay, that pulls off. So you can see there's a spring underneath, that's for the reverse gears. So I'll just put that spring back on. It slots back on top. Then just need to get the screw out of the old gear knob. So then it's just a case of simply screwing this screw back in, making sure this is tight again. Goes down quite far. And then there's the little cap that came with this one. The old one doesn't fit on, unfortunately, but I think that still looks better than the old one. I think you can also, I got this gear knob off eBay. You can also get something like this that looks very similar to replace that. So I hope that helps. Any questions, please comment below. Thank you, bye.